Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a recipe that I very frequently make at home, so thought of sharing it with you. You can serve it for brunch, lunch or even pack it for lunch boxes. And I feel it goes so close to a pizza. So let's see how to make it. Pan on medium heat, oil. Once the oil starts shimmering, add the potatoes. Though I have cut the potatoes in this way today, I also slice them in this way at times, and I prefer the round ones as they look nice. Add a sprinkle of salt and cover the pan over medium heat. From time to time, give a stir. In the meantime, I am going to crack some eggs. Take 2 eggs per person. Add a splash of milk, a sprinkle of salt, and some freshly crushed black pepper. Then mix well. Coming back to the potatoes, they have started browning up along the edges, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Time for the next ingredients to dive in. Chopped garlic and green chilies goes in. Then the red and green bell pepper beauties enter the scene. Red onions to add up to that color. Again add a sprinkle of salt and freshly crushed black pepper. As you can see, I am adding salt layer by layer so that all the elements get well seasoned. Cover it for a few minutes on medium heat, but remember guys, you do not want the bell peppers to get soggy. Okay, next comes my favorite ingredient, butter. You can leave it out if you have any concerns, but I love the touch of butter in this recipe. Then a good amount of green onions. You can add any greens according to your preference. You can even add mushrooms, but unfortunately I didn't have any today. Then I like adding slices of tomatoes. Again a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. Finally, the eggs go in to bring everything together. Now, if you want to use an oven, then allow the eggs to settle down a bit in the bottom. Then add cheese on top and then move it to your oven under the broiler till the cheese becomes bubbly and the egg souffle is up. But today I will be showing you how to make it over the stove top. So cover it for a few minutes on very low heat. Once you see the egg is no longer runny and everything has come together very well, then put a plate on top and carefully turn it. Then slide the whole thing carefully back to the pan. And I know what you're thinking now, that is how shabby that lid looks. But I cannot help it guys, because it is my most trusted, ridiculously shabby looking plate that never slips when I do these kind of jobs, and I hide it in a secret place only to be taken out for such recipes. Okay, so let that side get browned up a bit. Then again my oldie goldie shabby beauty shows up on the screen. Turn and slide the gorgeous deliciousness again onto the pan. Then top it with any cheese of your choice. I used mozzarella. I even like sprinkling some red pepper flakes. Now keep the heat of your stove to the lowest possible mark. Cover it till the cheese melts like this. And at this point I just couldn't resist my temptation to stick it under my broiler to get an attractive photo for my thumbnail. And today for a change I am using parsley instead of my beloved coriander leaves. And look at this gorgeousness. Tell me one thing, does it now not look like a pizza or what? I slice it just like a pizza and serve it. This tastes good even when it is at room temperature, so you can pack it in your lunch boxes as well. So try this recipe and enjoy it. If you would like to see more recipes like this, then click on the videos showing up on the screen. Bye bye.